Hello everyone, so this video is here how to solve the issue of your Steam not opening even after you click it like many times. Alright, so I will try to show here how to fix that. So go over here and right click and go over task manager, then search for the Steam bootstrapper here, which should look kind of like this. Alright, so there you go. You need to find the Steam client bootstrapper 32-bit and then right click on it and then end task. So what happens is that after that the Steam gets completely closed. It is not running in the background anymore. So now if you try to open the Steam, it should actually open up. It should show like this. Alright, so hopefully this helped you guys and now Steam is opening for you. Well, if it is not opening still yet, then there might be some other issue, or maybe the app itself is corrupted, so you might have to reinstall the app. So try to just go in their website and then again download Steam from there, and then you should be good to go. Your Steam should open up. Alright, that's it for this tutorial video. Hopefully it helped. See you guys in the next one.